Sensory puppet toys are all the rage now. But did you know that sensory play is more than just these trendy toys? Sensory play engages all of your children's senses, helping them discover the world around them. It's a great way to let them play and learn without screens. You don't have to splurge on expensive toys. Make your own sensory bin at home using everyday objects and the toys you already have. Ms. Cherry Tian, founder of Little Change Makers, which makes sensory toys for special needs kids, shows you how. Step 1. Pick a container or bin. Choose a size and depth that is suitable for your child. Pick a bigger one for group play. Step 2. Young children like scooping, pouring, and transferring. First, fill the bin with a bin filler. A bin filler can be water, hinoki wood cubes, grains, dried pasta, sand, ice, jelly, or anything else that you think your child would be interested in. Choose one that you can clean up easily later. Beware of choking hazards for younger children. Step 3. Include scoops, tongs, and small containers of different shapes, sizes, and materials. These help your child build hand-eye coordination, improves attention span, strengthens grip, and boosts problem-solving skills. Step 4. You can use this bin as an open-ended play session, or as a guided activity to introduce thematic learning, such as science, maths, reading, languages, and more. You can also pair it with related books. The possibilities are endless. Pro tips: start from things you can find at home, such as in the kitchen. Mark a boundary for sensory play on a bathroom or balcony. Set a rule to keep play within the boundary. Start with something that your child is interested in. For example, for baking, start with Play-Doh. Or construction vehicles, use vehicles for scooping and transferring. Let your child be the master of play. Your role is to keep an eye on them for safety and to support only when they ask for help. It's okay if your child makes a mess. Mastering skills takes time. Make cleanup fun and give ample time. It is difficult for children to pack everything at one go. Start from the easiest items.